Hi, I'm Karun Reddy. I'm a natural farmer since last 8 years, but I took farming way back in 11 years ago. I'm doing agriculture in this 18 acres land. When I took it was a barren land. So this land is located in Mogilpaka village, Valigonda Mandal and Yadadri district. In Telugu, గోధుమలు శనగలు పెసర్లు కందులు మినుములు నువ్వులు. So we soak all these in water for a day and keep in a wet cloth so that small sprouts will come out of it, and we grind these sprouts and put into water with 10 liters of cow urine. We keep this for a day and thereafter we'll mix water and spray on the mango tree and especially on the fruit. So what happens with this is the fruit will be healthy, its shelf life increases, and it will not have any kind of pest attacking it. So that's how that will spray every 15 days till the day we harvest. Before we harvest, what we do is we stop the water for before harvest we stop water for 4 to 5 days, so that whenever the ripening happens, the sweetness should come. Okay, the water is given till last date. That's how the commercial farming is done. Today I'm going to show you how do we pluck mangoes and how do we identify whether the mango is ready for harvest, and how do we pluck the mango, and what are the steps before we take before ripening, set for ripening. So first of all, if you see this mango, this is a Benganpalli variety, and you see that there are shoulders, just like we have shoulders like this. Mangoes also have shoulders. Okay, the one below goes deep into it, just like your neck, and these are the shoulders. And once you hold it, you will feel that there is tummy, just like we have a tummy. They also have it, like their stomach, just like their stomach is full. So once you hold it, you will, if you hold this one and if you hold this one, you find the difference. So this does not, this is not, the mango is not bulge enough, whereas this mango is bulge enough and ready for harvest. So when we harvest, what we do is we pluck from the beginning of it. Okay, from this place we pluck the mango and keep it under the shade. 4th April 2021. Today we are packing the mangoes for to Singapore. So first these are the empty containers. In the empty containers we put the paper like this. Upon the paper we put the grass, and over about that, here there is another paper so that mangoes don't touch the grass. So here the mangoes are graded. The mangoes are graded by Kiran, Sai, and we wrap them in the paper bags. On the paper bags we are putting a gross mango weight of mangoes of 6.2 kg. Effectively this will turn to, post ripening they become 5 kg. After this there is one more paper on the grass. There's one more paper we are putting on the mangoes, and upon that we'll keep the grass. So on the grass we are closing the lid with this. So here these are the cartons which are already packed.